who is ready for a delicious, easiest meal ever to prepare. Because this can be served as a meal because it's got your meat, it's got your carbs, it's got barbecue sauce, and it's got cheese. So this is quick and easy. So y'all don't blink or you'll miss it, okay? Now the recipe calls for a bag of frozen cube potatoes and then to whip them. But to make it super easy, we found these already, and I have used these before, y'all, and they're good. Works great in like a shepherd's pie or something like that. But anyway, these already have the sour cream and the chives in it. Because the instruction says to mash your potatoes once they're cooked and add sour cream and chives or whatever. But it's got a little juice on it. So I don't have to do that at all. I'm going to just put them right in the bottom of a 2-quart casserole dish. And it has sour cream in it, but just make sure that I don't want to be shorted on my sour cream. So after I get those potatoes mashed in, I'm going to put a coating, a layer of sour cream on my mashed potatoes. This is going to be so good. This is going to be so good. All you're going to need is a little old bitty hamburger bun. Toast it and go along with it. Come on, Paula. All right. So it's going to put me a layer.
Yeah, this would be good if you're having a football party.
Oh, my gosh. It would be perfect, Eddie. For a crowd that you're feeding. All right, so now I feel good knowing that I put some sour cream in this. And you know what else I'm going to do? Because sour cream screams for salt. I'm going to just put a little salt on top of that and a little pepper. And then I'm going to put my pulled pork on top of that. Look at this. Is that not beautiful pork? And it was wonderful having somebody else cook it. Because butts take a pretty good while to cook. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So all we have to do, y'all, is just really bake this until it's hot. You know, everything's done in it. So just get her hot. So now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce on top. And if you want more barbecue sauce, by all means do it.
Do you want more barbecue sauce, Paula?
I don't know. I think we could stand a little.
That's usually a hit.
No, I think we could stand a little. You could make your own barbecue sauce. One of my favorite sauces is a mustard base. You could use that. All right, so now I'm going to top it with cheese, please. And we just going to get that till it's hot and bubbly. And we got a meal in what, 2 minutes, y'all? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So, look at this awesome barbecue potato barbecue casserole. Look at that. That pork that we are using that you, what brand was it?
Curly's.
Curly's. pulled barbecue pork. It's really good. I hope this will become one of y'all's favorite recipes that you try this with the barbecue and barbecue sauce and barbecue sauce and cheese would be perfect as a twice baked potato. So love and best dishes, y'all. I'm looking out for you, quick and easy. I forgot to garnish it with jalapenos. And so I got my nose running. So there you go. That's your garnish.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.